So tell me, Penelope, what solemn occasion brings us out here today?
To do a funeral for a body we saw die. Daddy buried it, and I got a bouquet, and we're gonna read Bible stories. And this is part 1.
Yes, part 1. We're still working on his poem. We were going to read a lovely verse, and Penelope decided she wanted to write one herself. So
Mommy's gonna help me a little.
Yes, she's come up with a list of rhyming words. I think that must be, is that how you write poems in school?
Huh?
You brainstorm the rhyme words first?
Yeah, we do a plastic kid rhyming.
She did a really good job. She had nest pin geese to rhyme with rest in peace. So
Nest pin geese.
Nest pin geese.
And dove.
Dove and above, you thought of those.
And Mommy thought of
Shove.
And...
Oh, you also thought of love.
No, that was the rhyming word we're supposed to.
Oh, that's the starting word. Here comes Rosie to attend the funeral.
Hey, you want to come to the funeral? Come here.
Okay, Penelope, I'll let you begin. You may begin by putting the flowers on the grave. Don't just kind of drop them onto the grave because I don't want you to touch the...
Put the bouquet?
Yeah.
Just put the flowers out?
Yeah, I mean, just put them down onto the grave, but you don't... Yeah, like that. So I don't want you to touch too much in case there's...
Rosie, it's busy work.
Hello, Rosie. Are you here to attend the funeral for the poor little bird who fell off the house?
Oh.
She says, no way. This is very solemn work. We picked these flowers this afternoon.
That means that we sow love for birds.
Yes, that was very sweet. It was so sad, this poor bird.
And ants were all over.
Yes, it was very sad. Daddy thinks maybe another bird, like a sibling, pushed it out of the nest. It has to be something like that. I think it's the birds that live up on top of the house. We buried it last night, but then we were going to have the funeral last night. You know what? Don't put water because there's a dead bird under there, so we don't want it to...
What would happen if I did?
Well, just let's not here. Oh, I didn't know you were going to... Oh, go ahead. You can pour it on the ground. Pour it on the cactus.
Okay.
Okay, now come on.
I'm so excited for the food because it's just a way to celebrate the bird.
Yes, we want to celebrate his life. We have a plaque we're going to put up tomorrow when we read our poem.
Yes.
Now, what Bible story did you pick out to read? Have you picked one?
No, can I go?
Yeah. Okay, I'll pause it.
Noah,
Wait. Explain why you're doing your reading.
Noah's Ark.
No, wait. Okay, now.
I'm reading Noah's Ark because we named the one Noah.
All right, excellent. Now go ahead and begin the reading.
Noah's Ark. After Adam and Eve left the garden, many people were born. The people kept doing bad things, and they forgot about God. Except Noah. Noah loved God.
Very nice.
This guy's Bobby, right? The guy in the window.
Looks like he is, doesn't it? That's not very nice, is it?
I think they're threatening each other.
They could be, yes. Keep reading.
God was sad that everyone but Noah forgot about him. He told Noah about his plan to start over. Make yourself an ark, God said. Here is how. So Noah and his family began working on the ark. When it was done, God said, take your family and 2 of every animal into the ark. Animals creaked, clawed, hopped, and galloped into Noah's new boat.
Ah, yes, I see.
That's a good.
Hold on, let me pause it because this is getting long and we'll do a part 2, okay?
Okay.